Hi there. Welcome to my YouTube channel. So today I'm going to talk about yet another success story in the cryptocurrency domain. Now this is one person, Cooper Turley. He's a young guy. He's just started working in a company a few months ago, and he's made $1 million on by just trading in bitcoins and Ethereum. And also he's actually taken a very risky path of doing something called the yield farming in the DeFi world. Now, I'll try and explain this to you a little more as we go through. But look at this young chap. He has been, a graduate from a university, and he just happened to purchase a few Ethereum and Bitcoins in 2017. And that's just before it actually crashed. And he kept it. He hung on to it, and then eventually he made money. And then he did a lot of research and understanding how the whole concept of DeFi works. DeFi financing works. So he got caught onto it, and now he is just buying more coins and then making more money. And of course, he's also who also works in a music company. I will tell you a little more on that as well. So before we dive in, please like my videos. Please share my videos to people who would really be benefited and would be interested in. Please subscribe to my channel. Please smash that notification bell so that you are informed every time I upload a new video. So let's go and talk about it. So there's this guy, Cooper Turley. He's just 25 years old. He works for a company called Audius, which is a music streaming and sharing platform. He basically, what he does is to look at the crypto strategy for the company. Well, he has also been doing a lot of other strategies for token. I will talk about it in the next slide. But look at this guy, 25 years old, young, 25, 26 years old, just out of college. And he's a millionaire. He's making money on the crypto domain. A lot of people would tell me that, well, crypto market is down, and then a lot of people have lost money. But look at this guy, he's smart. He's really, really smart. He's clever to actually devise a way in which he would make money, even if the crypto market is down. So let's talk about it. So, like I said, he started investing in crypto in 2017. And Ethereum, so he was studying music business at the University of Colorado in Denver. And he got interested in Ethereum. And he was interested in how you could actually democratize the music content creator industry using Ethereum. And that's the reason why he works for Audius, which does exactly that. And so at that point in time, he was still a university student. He was working on the side, and he used that money that he saved from his job to invest in Ethereum. And obviously, as you know, crypto crashed in 2018, and his portfolio dwindled. It came down, but he stuck to it. And then while he was doing his research, he found DeFi and NFT, non-fungible tokens, to be impressive opportunities, and he jumped straight in. So that's what I mean when I say that you have to identify the latent need, and you have to jump straight in if you find that there is a need for in the future. So that's exactly what he did. So he started using DeFi lending to loan crypto and earn interest. So you know that you can use DeFi to loan crypto, just like banks would do, and then earn interest. Now, he went one step further and increased his risk by borrowing more coins himself so that he could lend even more and make even more money through that route. So that is called yield farming. Now, obviously, it's fraught with a lot of risks because the whole process, the transaction is not regulated. So if someone runs away with the coins or with your money, you can't do anything. So, but he took that risk. He took that risk of borrowing coins and lending them out to make more and more money, more than what he had himself in terms of coins. So that is called yield farming, and that has paid off for him. So, like he said that in 2020, he said largely the most profitable few months of the year have been the DeFi summer, because in 2020 summer last year, when we were deep into the pandemic, people were investing in millions of dollars, probably billions of dollars into the DeFi platforms. So he made a lot of money there. And since then, he has been investing and generating returns from DeFi continuously, even today. Even when the crypto market is down, he is still making money. He's still using that yield farming route to make more money and get more interests paid back to him. So what he's also done, he's contributed to about 50 plus crypto projects because he's smart, he knows how it works, and he's also become an investor. He's invested in about 20 crypto projects. It's phenomenal. I mean, look at this guy, 25 years old. He's now, he contributes to crypto projects. He invests in crypto projects as well. And he uses that yield farming route to make money. And he's continuing to make money despite the fact that today the crypto market is down. Investors have lost money. So that is ingenious. That's a great strategy, great alacrity, smartness that this person has. And he's been making money. So why am I talking about it? What does it tell you? So it's the knowledge, understanding the market, and knowing what the customers are looking for will make you a successful businessman. So he initially had no idea about crypto at all in 2017 before he invested in Ethereum. But he did a lot of research, did a lot of reading, and then he stumbled upon DeFi and NFTs. And he used that concept to make his own money. So he found that the customers would be requiring his tokens, would be looking to invest in his tokens that he's been borrowing. So he's mastered the knowledge, he's understood the market, and knows what the customers are looking for. So that is the reason why he's a successful businessman. So if you are looking to start out, if you are looking to be an entrepreneur or a businessman, you need to identify these areas where you could easily make money. Look at what you can master, what your forte is. You try and understand the market because it's a market where the sales will happen. And you must know the psyche of the customer so that they would come and buy your products or services. So to me, it's a great example, a fantastic success story. This guy is really incredible. At just the age of 25, 26, he's a millionaire. He's making money. He's also employed by a crypto company in the music industry, and he's a real role model for all of us to follow. So that's what I thought I would I wanted to share with you. On the card above, I will put a link to my video on how you could start a business with zero investment or very little investment. Take a look at it. And the other thing is that there is a free tool on how you could actually become an entrepreneur. You could do a test for yourself. That tool is available on my website. The URL is flashing on the screen now. It will also be in the description down below. It's totally free. Go ahead and download the, or it'll actually be sent to your email address. So you put in your email address and name, and it'll be sent to you. So that's my ebook on how I left my six-figure globe-trotting corporate job. So it talks about my story and a 3-step worksheet in that particular ebook. So you can test out your potential, your how you would fare if you have had the gumption to start as an entrepreneur right now today. Okay, so that's it, guys. Thank you very much. Like you know, my name is Saurav Mukherjee. I'm a digital and technology marketing leader with about 20 years of global experience. You would find my LinkedIn URL in the description down below. Please go ahead and connect with me. I regularly work with companies on business, marketing, and technology. Please drop me a line on LinkedIn after you are connected with me, or drop me a note on the contact page of my website. I will reach out to you very, very soon. And please like my video. Please subscribe to my channel. Please share my video with people who would really be benefited. Please share all my videos with them, and please smash that notification bell so that you know every time I upload a new video. So that's it, guys. Hopefully this particular case study really excites you. And crypto is still at a nascent stage, and I think there are lots of opportunities, lots of ways to make money in crypto. So you could you could do your own research and studies and dive deep into crypto, but keep your investments less under control, and then gradually increase the bar. So that's it, guys. Take care, and I shall see you tomorrow. Until then, bye-bye.